Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. This is one of the top selling products today called Digital Profit Stack AI. And you can see the $5 off thing that popped up. I'm going to get rid of that, but it gives you a good picture. You click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. At the bottom of that blog post, there's a $5 off discount coupon code. You can copy that and away you go. And then you click either the product box or the link at the bottom. Sorry, I have a cold. And it'll take you there. You can grab it. It basically works. I think I saw it initially more as like PLR offers, but I think more what it would work in is things like Amazon affiliate products and things like that where you're selling the products. And so you can put in the product listing, the page, whatever, and it will grab all the information from it. And then it turns it into what they call product intelligence, who the offer's for, useful angles for emails, videos, and bonuses, that kind of stuff. So say it has a not that great product page. You can do all these and strengthen the title and the description and the bullets and all that. And then you can generate promotional materials from one product hub. And the end result of this is a portfolio website. So this is a plugin. So the portfolio website, the front end portfolio, lets you showcase books, and that's kind of where the PDF thing would go. Books, templates, products, services, affiliate offers, then route visitors to Amazon, Etsy, Gumroad, WooCommerce, Shopify, checkout pages, affiliate links. You can see how that works, right? It works for all sorts of different offers, all sorts of different types of offers. And the whole thing is $27. And what did you see at the very beginning of this? $5 off, so it's $22. There's all the upgrade offers are listed. You click the link in the video description, take you to my page. The bottom of that blog post, the front end offer is $27, and then there's upgrade offers at $47, $67, and $97, and $197, and $347. So they got a whole bunch of different ones that are all about selling things through a store. You're going to have the store. It's going to be on your thing, and there's the discount coupon code. Grab that, click the link. Boom, you can grab it for $22 instead of $27. So go check this out if you have an interest in having your store, everything on your website, your store. You get to promote it, and you pick and choose the products. Again, they can come from wherever you want them to. They can be affiliate products. They can be your offers. They can be Amazon kind of things. I'm going to get a message here, so I'll cut it short. Click the link in the video description and go check out Digital Profit Stack AI, fresh out today. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.